Hello, fellow investors. Google reported earnings after hours. The stock is up 4% pre-market. Were the earnings report really that good? This is Google's earnings snapshot. Revenues are up 13% quarter over quarter, or 12.61% to be exact, from 61.88 billion to 69.685 billion. They fell short of revenues expectations of 69.799 billion, but growth is growth and that's completely fine. EPS quarter over quarter dropped from 1.36 to 1.21, also falling short of EPS expectations of 1.27. That's 11% decline quarter over quarter. Analysts' expectations wise, they fell short from top line to bottom line. But from the base expectations, they only beat the revenues, while EPS dropped. Net income declined 14%, 13.62% to be exact, quarter over quarter, from 18.525 billion to 16.002 billion. That comes with their net income margins from 29.94% to just 22.96%. Their free cash flow decreased 23.18% quarter over quarter from 16.394 billion to 12.594 billion. And free cash flow margins dropped from 26.49% to only 18.07%. EPS trailing 12 months last quarter of 5.52 dropped to 5.37, a 2.72% decline. This is another weak earnings from Google. Why did the stock surge? I don't know. Maybe some market mover looking to sell the RIP, slashing their position. But one thing is for sure, the advertisement space is still strong, but we're seeing cracks of a slowdown. This is Google's valuation summary. These are the multiples you're paying for the stock at the current price of 105.02, given their current financials. I've updated this already, from their revenues down to the number of shares, current ratio, long-term debt, equity, everything. Obviously, our fair values will change from 2,360 last quarter, or $118 after 20 to 1 stock split. Our fair values now for this quarter for the stock, Google stock, is $107.4. Huge change, I know, because instead of using 21.34 here, like last quarter, I now used the 20 here instead. This is after updating their financials. Nothing drastic. We still hit those levels last quarter, and I think if the markets allow, we'll also hit the same PEs again. Here are the price levels to watch for Google stock this quarter. My fair value for the stock is $107.4. I'd only recommend you buy below these fair values. $96.7 is my allowable PB of 5. $97.04 here is the EPS trailing 12 months of 5.37 multiplied by the margin of 18.07. This is the lowest margin they've reported so far. This is the free cash flow margins of this quarter, 18.07. Again, I pay 1 PE for 1% of their margins. Maybe we'll get these lows, but who knows. And lastly, $98.71 here is my allowable price of free cash flow of 20. If Google were to trade like before at PBs of 4.25, this is the lowest average PB. The equivalent price for that is $82.19. That's quite a stretch. I don't think we'll reach those lows, but sure, it's a level to watch for Google as well. This is the price range to buy Google stock this quarter. But I think, chart-wise, $96 is a weak support, and maybe we'll break below that. So yeah, maybe buy Google any price below $96.